How to change Instagram name connect with Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to change Instagram name connect with Facebook. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch Instagram app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Head towards profile at bottom right corner of the screen. Now tap three-line menu icon at top right corner of the screen. Under Settings and Activities section, choose Account Center at top of the screen. Now tap Profiles at top right corner of the screen. Here you can see different profiles connected with your Instagram. Now choose the Facebook account which is connected with your Instagram profile and tap your Facebook account again. And make sure that you toggle the button of Sync Profile Info. After that, you can easily go to your profile and change the name of this particular profile. Now this will definitely fix Instagram name change problem. In order to save your changes, select Save button and it will automatically change Instagram name without changing your Facebook name. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.